All right, so I wanted to record this video talking about in SuccessFactors time tracking, the allowances functionality. So I'm looking at a timesheet and I've selected a day. You'll actually see here I've recorded my time already, just to apply planned working time. But next to it, you'll see this little symbol for allowances, and I have two of them here. So on the right side of this timesheet, you actually can enter allowances. In this case, I've entered commuting allowance, and I have a value of 2 here. And then I have an accommodation allowance of 1. So in some countries, this is certainly used. And so what I want to show you is actually for the purposes of payroll, I've assigned a value to this. So for my commuting allowance, each one of them signifies 25 US dollars. And for my accommodation is 250 US dollars. So in this case, I have 1 accommodation, which will be 250, and 2 commuting, which will be 25 plus 25, 50. And so then the way this actually looks in payroll is you can see for the period that I have here, so the 16th through the 29th, I have the earnings here for commuting allowance and accommodation. Just as anticipated, 250 for accommodation and 50 for my commuting allowance. And once again, that's for the February 16th through the 29th period. If I go back to my timesheet, you can see it's February 19th here. So that's kind of how that works, and the integration between time tracking and payroll, and how you can do some things even with like calculations there. So thanks.